Hi, I'm Brett. I'm going to take you through our award-winning Connect Plus carrier designed right here in Australia. What I love most about this carrier is just how easy it is to take on and take off. I'd like to show you that first. To remove, simply click the buckle and slide forward. Do the same on the other side. Click the buckle and slide forward. With one hand holding your child, simply remove the straps over your head. Drop the carrier, two hands on your baby, and that's how easy it is to take off. To put back on, click the buckle on at the back and make sure it's comfortable. With one hand holding your child, one hand under the carrier. Then again, grab the same straps and all you need to do is go over your head once again. With the straps next to your side, simply put one hand back, slide it on, and now click back in. Repeat the same on the other side. The next feature I love about the carrier is that they've really designed one carrier for all seasons. Whether you live somewhere in Australia where it's warm or cold, or in the same day, often we go from a cold morning to a warm afternoon, we've designed one carrier to keep both you and your baby comfortable. Some of the ways we do that is with our tri-layer system. How it works is it has three different layers. The top layer being the windbreaker layer. Simply take it off from both sides, roll it up, and it stores down the bottom of the carrier inside the pocket. We then have our thermal layer, this really beautiful soft fabric. Two things. One, you can slide your hands in to keep your hands warm, as well as it keeps your baby warm. What's nice about the thermal layer, you can either take it off from the top, roll it up and stores down the bottom, or take it off completely. We then have our summer breathable layer. Really nice for keeping both you and your baby cool. The layer that we have on right here. What's under it? We have our Connect pockets, a little extra feature where you can actually slide your hands in and touch your baby with skin-to-skin contact. Something really nice about having a carrier and being able to touch your baby. We also have our neoprene shoulder straps, really lightweight and breathable. And within our lumbar supports, we have breathable channels to allow airflow to go through them. Comfortable. This carrier, our Connect Plus, is so comfortable. Why? Because of the honeycomb technology built into both the lumbar supports as well as the optional shoulder pads. Helps distribute the weight evenly over your waist as well as your shoulders. It's designed with healthy hips in mind. How does it do this? It does this by supporting your baby's legs in the M position to promote healthy hips development. What are some of the other features that I love about the carrier? It is designed from newborn up to 20 kilos with 2 adjustable leg positions. It does have 4 configurations. First, being newborn, where your baby sits a little bit higher up in the carrier. Then, as you can see here, baby facing in, baby facing out, as well as back carry. It has been designed to comply with the International Baby Standards ASTM. It has this sunshade and head support that can be flicked up. It can also be unzipped, lift up higher and connected onto the shoulder straps to give you and your baby more sun protection. As well as that, it's been designed with these storage pockets around the bottom for allowing you to put your keys and phone in as well while on the go. Why buy a carrier? Really, it's a beautiful alternative to a pram. Whether you want to be hands-free at home or while you're out and about. Another option while traveling on a plane or really sleep on the go with your baby. Colors, it comes in 3 beautiful colors. The truffle that I'm wearing now, the ivy, as well as the pebble. Help. We've got an incredible support. Our Sydney head office, our customer care is here for you. Whether you want to write to them via email, live chat, please reach out. They're there to support you. I wanted to say thank you for allowing me to present to you our award-winning Connect Plus carrier. And of course, with all our products, we have our Redsbaby promise. 30 days home trial, free easy returns, and of course, our 3-year warranty to back all our products.